All right there, YouTubers. Foam King back again with installment or part number 6 and final part of the series of antenna mast, post, and installation of my Tram 1498. Now I'm going to run you through this. I've been running this for about 2 days now. It's all dialed in. I have the SWRs down to 1.2. And I've been DXing now for like crazy for the past 2 days. But I'm going to run you through this here. Well, you have here, what I have here is the Tram 1498. Now, like I said, I have it all dialed in. The internal rod's all set. The set screw is all set, and I sealed this up with high quality electric tape just to keep the moisture out of that joint, and also keep the moisture out of this joint. Because I saw another YouTuber do that, and I thought it was a really good idea. Just whatever you can to keep the moisture out. This here was supposed to, from the factory, keep moisture away from the cabling and the connector, the PL259 connector. Well, the other day when I disassembled this, it was all soaking wet. So the rain did get in there. So I wound up sealing it up with a high quality electrical tape. Moisture is never going to get through here. And this tape is really good in UV and moisture. Here in Florida, it's 100 degrees and 100 humidity almost every day in the summer. So it needed a little protection there. All right. Here's part of my guide wire system. It's actually a custom-made ground plane. There are 3 of these that attach to that point there. Here, this is a nylon because, we want to isolate this here. And by doing so, it creates a ground plane. This is 102 inches. Each radial is 102 inches. And you may ask, well, how's it working? It's phenomenal. I reached out to Rwanda, East Africa, which is 7,800 miles away the other day. It was phenomenal. All right, so I'm ready to button this up, put this vertical and lock it in place. I plan on servicing this thing every 5 to 6 months, and I don't think I would need anything more than that. So I'm going to put you down for a second. I'm going to go ahead and raise this here up, so stand by. All right there, guys. I'm back here again. I'm hoping that this camera stays in place. I really need to get myself a tripod. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start raising this mast for the last time for a while. It actually took me 7 ups and downs to get the SWRs just right. Right now I've got it tuned for 27.285 up to 27.285 up to 27.555. That's kind of where I operate, and that's why I have this antenna tuned. So we're going to go ahead and raise this up. All right there, folks. I've got that buttoned up. She's vertical. She's locked in place. Let me show you how I have this set up. This is just an extra support in case cable or pulley or something up there fails. I've got this to keep the mast from coming crashing down. All right. Using a LMR 400 low loss cable. You can see up there, got a little loop for that part, a loop for the lock. Then we have this going into the cabin and hooked up to my radio. Total length of the LMR 400 is 38 feet. The white wire is going from ground here to a bus bar that's on my desk, which I feed all the chassis to. All I have to do now is to hook in this one guy wire that goes in the back of the cabin, the other side there, and then we'll be all secure. So I'll get back to you in a few seconds. All right there, folks. I've got the antenna mast vertical and secured. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you'll be able to see the guy wires here. We've got 3 of them keeping that mast very stable. And the top part of that guy wire is actually a wire, 102 inches, which is creating a 3 radial ground plane, which works phenomenally. And there you go. There she goes, up 38 feet into the air. That's pretty damn tall and gets out really well. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do some DXing, see how this works, and then we're going to finish up this last video. All right there, guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you, this is how you YouTube. I mean, not YouTube. This is how you DX. Got a shot here of Kentucky bourbon, my logbook, and then my favorite radio, which is a Ranger 2995 DX CF. CF stands for cooling fan. All right, so I'm going to unplug the headphones, get some volume going here, see if we can get some DX going. Let me see if I can hook up somewhere to hold it. All right, I'm on the EM channel here. Let's see if I can get this clear enough. I'm going to show you my SWR so we can get this to focus. Lower that volume a little bit there. All right, not focusing very good. I'm sorry, folks. But it is 1.2. That's what we're looking at, 1.2 in that range of frequencies that I was talking about earlier. Not bad. And here's our modulation. Audio, audio, audio. Let's go down 1. And let's go in lower sideband and get some of that modulation. Audio, audio. So it modulates really well. Got power here. Okay, let's go back to AM. We are keying up at around 30 and swinging to audio, audio. Not that much, 50 watts. It's about all that this radio can really handle cleanly. I could amp up the power with the RF, but then the modulation gets really, really sloppy. But that's the way we're going. So, guys, if you like this video, please put a like up down below. If you have any comments, go ahead, please make the comments down below. All right, you got Foam King here, aka Niner66 from Central Florida, saying goodbye. Thank you very much, and 73s.